Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tonor TW820 Dual Wireless Microphone System. This microphone has a 200-foot wireless working distance. The microphone has a display that shows the battery level, the frequency, and the channel. The receiver has a display that shows the mic signal level, the volume level, the audio level, the mic channel, and the mic frequency. The audio coming from each microphone is output individually through an XLR connection, and the audio from both microphones are output combined through a 1/4-inch output. Now that we've gone over the specs, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Hey there, my name is Adrian with ProjectRamos.com and dealsbypr.com. On this channel I do tech reviews, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Looks like we get a warranty card. Here's the instruction manual. Here's the power supply. We get a 1/4-inch mono to 1/4-inch mono cable. You get a microphone windscreen. Since there's two mics, you get two microphone windscreens. Here's the microphones. Looks like the bottom is plastic, this piece here. The rest of it here looks like it's aluminum, also with the aluminum windscreen up here. Power button here. Here is the second microphone. Also included are these rubber pieces here that you can put on the microphone to prevent it from sliding off of a table. And here is the microphone receiver. There's an A and a B. Volume controls here. Power button here. Display here. On the back we find two antennas. We have two XLR. Looks like these are outputs, and a mix 1/4-inch output. And then here's the power supply connection here. On the bottom we get these rubber feet so that when you set this down, it's going to hang on to whatever desktop or tabletop that you're going to be setting the receiver on. And the case is made of aluminum, so hardly any plastic in this setup here. And as far as the microphone goes, the bottom piece here screws off. And this is where you install the AA batteries. It takes two AA batteries. And so once you get those installed, you just simply tighten that back on and you're good to go there. Place this underneath the microphone. That'll prevent it from rolling around. So in total, we have two microphones, the receiver, two windscreens, 1/4-inch to 1/4-inch cable. Get the power supply, the instruction manual, and the warranty card. Looks like you get 2 years replacement warranty. Next thing we're going to do is connect this to our mixer and test out the audio quality of this microphone system. All right, so now we're going to demonstrate the distance that this microphone is reliable at. So first thing we're going to do is move out to 25 feet. So at about this point we're at 25 feet. So we're going to go ahead and move out now to 50 feet. We're at about 50 feet here, and we're going to continue moving back to 75 feet. At this point, we're transmitting at 75 feet, so I'm going to keep moving further down and see at which point the audio breaks. So I'm going to continue to talk here, and at this point, we're probably at about 100 feet here. And I'm going to continue to move further down, and I'm going to continue talking. I may be out of sight here, but we're probably at about 125 to 150 feet at this point. I'll just continue moving down the block to see at which point we lose connection. We may be losing connection now, but we'll just keep walking down here. Not sure if you can still see me on camera, but I am at a considerable distance now, well over 200 feet. So I'll continue talking into the microphone, and hopefully we still have an audio connection here. So I should be back in the line of sight right about now. You should be able to see me back on camera. Hopefully we are still transmitting and you can still hear me talking into the microphone. We're moving back into the 25-foot range, 25 feet here. And now we're back. So we're going to go ahead and review this footage and see at which point we lost connection. There is one quick test that I want to try out here, and that's the latency test. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to awkwardly hold the microphone while I clap. And as soon as I clap, visually when you see me clap, there should be no delay between the audio and what you see on camera. So let's go and try that out now. So between the time that you see me clap and what you hear coming out of the speakers, there should be no delay there. So that is a test of the latency on this microphone. This microphone system does come with two microphones. So we have microphone 1 and microphone 2. I have them both powered on and they're both transmitting at the same volume level. So I'm going to switch over to the second mic. This is now the second mic, and the sound quality should be exactly the same, being that our settings are exactly the same. And we're using the 1/4-inch mix output on the receiving unit. So we're not using the XLR outputs. You should be able to get better sound quality out of the XLR outputs, but for our test, we're using the 1/4-inch output. So I'm switching over now back over to microphone 1. So you should be able to tell that the sound quality is exactly the same out of both microphones. Now that we've unboxed, set up, and tested this microphone system, let's go over our final thoughts. First, let's talk about the build and design of the microphone. The microphone is made of aluminum, so the casing here is made of aluminum. The top here is made of steel, so it's a steel mesh protecting the microphone piece up here. And it does use two AA batteries, and you can just simply twist this off to be able to expose the area where the batteries go in. And the bottom of the microphone just twists on very easily. One of the added features is this display here where you're going to be able to see the battery status. You're going to be able to see the frequency that the microphone is operating on and also the channel that the microphone is operating on. So simply having the battery level right on the microphone is very useful. Now, as far as on the receiver end, you also get the same information here. Let's see if I can get this on camera. It's a little hard to see, but you're going to be able to see the frequency and channel that the microphone is operating on. Now there's two microphones, so you're going to get two readouts here. Right now we only have one microphone on, so only one side of the receiver is showing information right now. But it shows you the audio level coming in from the microphone. It shows you the signal strength of the microphone, so you can see if you're having any connection problems there. The other cool feature on the receiver is that you have these volume knobs, so you can attenuate the signal coming in from the microphone so that you make sure that you're not distorting or clipping your signal path. On the back of the receiver, you're going to get an XLR output for each of the microphones. There's two mics, so there's one XLR output for mic A and one XLR output for mic B. And then there's also a 1/4-inch output that combines the signal path of both microphones. So it mixes the signal from both mics and outputs it through the 1/4-inch output. So you have a couple of options there. And then you also get the antennas here that receive the signal either from microphone A or microphone B. And the casing of the receiver is also made out of aluminum. So overall, the build and design of this microphone system, it's done very well. The manufacturer did a really good job there. The setup and operation of this microphone system is very simple and very straightforward. Once you have the receiver connected to your mixer, all you need to do is turn the receiver on, turn the microphone on. The receiver will find the microphone and pair to it immediately and find the best operating frequency range for the microphone to use. So there's no pairing process, it does it all automatically. So very simple, very straightforward. Having a wireless microphone system solves quite a few issues. Not only does it look a lot cleaner to be able to use a mic on stage with no wires attached, but it also gives you convenience. So if you're doing on-camera interviews and having a wireless system is going to allow you to move the microphone back and forth and prevent wires from getting tangled as you're moving the microphone back and forth. It also allows you to place this microphone, if you're going to be using it kind of like on a boom stand, close to your subjects and not be limited by the wires that might otherwise be attached to the mic. So having a wireless mic gives you a lot of convenience, especially if you're going to be using this mic for karaoke situations where you're going to be able to dance around, move around, and there's going to be no wires to get tangled there. So it's a lot cleaner, a lot more efficient, and it gives you a lot of options in different scenarios. Now let's talk about the million-dollar question. Is the Tonor TW820 dual wireless microphone system worth your hard-earned money? As of the recording of this review, this microphone system sells for $119.99 on Amazon. I think it's well worth the money. The microphone is built really well. It does feel like a premium product. We had reviewed a Tonor microphone in the past. It was a single mic. The body was made out of plastic. Wasn't a big deal if you're going to be using it for simple things like karaoke, but being that this microphone system has an aluminum body just makes this microphone feel a lot more premium. And I also like the fact that the mic does come with this rubber piece so that you can place this on the microphone so that when whoever's using it, when they place this microphone down, it's going to prevent it from rolling around. So it gives you a lot of options there. I also like the fact that the microphone has this display that's going to be able to show you the battery status. It's going to show you the frequency that it's operating on. It's going to show you the channel that it's operating on. So it gives you a lot of useful information right on the microphone so that you don't have to sit there and guess what might be going on with the mic if something is not sounding right. And then also on the receiver end, you get the same information for each individual mic. So you're going to get, the output information from mic A and the output information from mic B. You also get these volume controls for each microphone, and then you get the high quality XLR outputs so that if you do have a mixer that supports XLR connections, you're going to be able to get the best sound quality out of this microphone system. So at $119.99, I think you're getting a lot of value out of this microphone system. Being that it's wireless, it's going to allow you to be able to use this microphone system in a way where wires are not going to get tangled up. And in our demonstration, we were able to see that we were able to use this mic further out than 200 feet. The manufacturer states that this microphone system can operate up to 200 feet, and we were able to confirm that yes, it does work at 200 feet. But we were able to go further than 200 feet and this mic system still maintained a connection. Now with all wireless systems, whether it's Bluetooth or just Wi-Fi wireless or any type of wireless system, one thing is inherent, and when things such as walls or any large objects get in the way of the signal path, that's going to cut down your range of how far you can go out with this wireless system. So if you do set this up and you do plan to use this microphone quite a distance away from the receiver, just make sure that you have a clean line of sight to the antennas with as little as possible, objects in between as possible, so that you can get the best signal path. In our test, we hardly had anything blocking our way, so we were able to maintain the connection at 200 feet. And as I mentioned, we were able to maintain connection even past 200 feet. So we can confirm that this microphone system is reliable at 200 feet. So at $119.99, I think you're getting quite a bit of value. I think this product is definitely worth the cost of the product. This is going to complete my review of the Tonor TW820 Dual Wireless Microphone System. If you found some value in this video, I'd appreciate it if you were to hit the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, that way you get notified the next time we upload a new video. And on that note, I will see you on the next review.